Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much CoQ10 you should take. For general health maintenance, a common daily dosage of CoQ10 is typically between 100 and 300 milligrams. However, it's important to remember that your specific needs can vary quite a bit. Factors like your overall health, any existing medical conditions, and other medications you might be taking all play a role. While your body naturally produces CoQ10 and you can get some from foods, supplementing can be beneficial for many. When addressing specific health concerns, CoQ10 dosages can be more targeted. For instance, individuals focusing on heart health, such as those with heart failure or angina, often find benefit from 100 to 300 milligrams per day. If you are taking statin medications, which can deplete your body's natural CoQ10 levels, a dosage of 100 to 200 milligrams daily is commonly suggested to help mitigate muscle pain. For migraine prevention, studies have explored doses ranging from 100 to 400 milligrams each day. To get the most out of your CoQ10 supplement, understanding its forms and how to maximize absorption is key. CoQ10 is available as ubiquinone, which your body converts, and ubiquinol, the active and more readily absorbed form, especially for older adults. Since CoQ10 is fat-soluble, always take your supplement with a meal that contains some dietary fat like avocado or olive oil. Additionally, dividing your total daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller portions throughout the day can further enhance its absorption and effectiveness. While CoQ10 is generally considered safe for most adults, it's important to be aware of potential considerations. Some individuals might experience mild side effects, such as stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. It's also crucial to note that CoQ10 can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners like warfarin, potentially reducing their effectiveness. It may also affect blood pressure medications. Therefore, before you begin any new supplement, including CoQ10, always have a conversation with your healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.